You're now listening to Demon Beats.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun back at y'all with another video. Today, the sensor has came in, crank position sensor has came in. Ooh. So let's hope let's hope that's what the situation was. It needed a new crankshaft position sensor, cause I'm tired of breaking down, y'all. I'm tired of being stuck and waiting 45 minutes, an hour, 2 hours before the truck starts. So let's hope that that's what it's gonna be. So I'm gonna go ahead and get up in here and start fooling with it, because I need to get this done. We definitely need my truck fully back on the road. Not a little bit, not just to go around to the street to the store, then get stuck at the store, or go to my homeboy house, get stuck over that way and have to wait until the truck decides to start, or tell somebody want to take me home. So we can't really nip all that in the bud, because this stopping on us out of nowhere thing, we hoping we gonna nip it in the bud. So let's keep our fingers crossed that that's what the problem is. But let's see if she's gonna start up for us. Just so y'all know, nope. So y'all can see what she's doing.
Start?
No.
It started earlier. I was able to get it off the road.
So let's see what she's doing. Let's so y'all can hear. It ain't battery gauge ain't coming up. The fuel gauge ain't operating. The oil, the temperature gauge ain't operating. So don't know. So we're gonna try this and see. Now, getting up in here is going to be a little bit of a task. So, we know where everything is at. It's just getting to it. That's the whole thing in a nutshell right there. We are doing the crankshaft position sensor. This one is very rough looking. Old. Look like it's been in there since the original. Probably is the original. Here's the new one. So yeah, I'm getting ready to install this one. But this one right here, it's a mon to get to these screws. As y'all can see, the first one was fine coming out. The second one I had to actually use a 1/2 inch wrench. I actually used the smaller one. There's my small one. Ooh. I actually used my shawty. So, just so y'all know, 1/2 inch socket or 1/2 inch wrench. 1/2 inch wrench would be for the one that's further in than more so the one that's on the outside. So, just a little tidbit information for anybody who's actually doing it. So, but yeah, it didn't come out real easy either. So, it took a minute to pull on it to get it out. So, we're gonna hopefully everything goes smoothly and we can get this one back in without a problem. Even if it ain't that issue, even if that's not the issue, it's still a new part that needed to be changed down in there. So we're gonna go ahead, stick this back in there because we don't want no dirt to get up inside where the torque converter go and everything. So yeah, so I get back to y'all when I'm done installing this. Yep. So just so y'all see, they the same part. So hopefully we can get some action going. If it's not the part, if it's not the reason why it's doing it, guess what? One new part down and many others to go. So we just gonna go ahead and throw it. Actually, we're gonna use this little piece right here for scrap and the wire for scrap. Those few things. Yeah, see, everybody tired of this. This goddamn, this is ridiculous. And neighbors is upset about it too. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this.
Hold on. Covers up half the road.
Yeah, it does.
And it ain't shallow, it's pretty deep. It's probably like 4 to 4.5 feet deep. So. Maybe. Okay.
Alright, so now
Got a little everyday life
go ahead
action.
and stick this down in here and gotta wiggle this back up so that way we can connect it.
Phone's low battery.
Yeah. We might clip this in, then put this, drop this down in there. So, give me a minute, y'all. Let me take care of this, and I'll get back to you. Homeboy came through, took me to the auto parts store to go grab the ignition switch for the Ram. So, homeboy took me to the auto parts store. I ain't wanting to back down in here. Y'all see that? They just messed up all the roads and his car bottoms out back there. So I'm like, bro, you ain't gotta drive me all the way down in here. I appreciate the ride to the store. So we back and we probably put it in tomorrow, or I'll put it in tomorrow. Start taking it apart tonight or this evening. Well, we already in this evening. Y'all gotta excuse me, man. Had a lot going on today, so I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Peace.